Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is a tutorial on how to reinstall Python on Windows. Step 1. Uninstall Python. Go to Control Panel Programs and Features. Find Python in the list of installed programs, right-click on it, and select Uninstall. Step 2. Download Python. Go to the official Python website at https://www.python.org/downloads. Click on the download button for the latest version of Python for Windows. Run the downloaded installer. Step 3. Install Python. Check the box that says Add Python x.x to path during the installation process. Click on Install now to start the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. Step 4. Verify Python installation. Open command prompt by searching for CMD in the Windows search bar. Type Python version and press Enter. You should see the installed Python version. Step 5. Test Python installation. Open command prompt. Type Python and press Enter to open the Python interactive shell. You can now run Python code directly in the shell to test if Python is working correctly. Code example. If you see Hello, Python, printed in the shell, then Python has been successfully reinstalled on your Windows system. That's it. You have now successfully reinstalled Python on Windows.